Hello guys, MT here, and it's Saturday, and for this weekend I had a plan to record my first motovlog, but unfortunately yesterday all the day was raining and all the night, and this morning was pretty cold. Right now it's cloudy and the rain can start any moment, but I couldn't resist. I got my scooter to the road, and it's 1 o'clock right now, and as you can see on my dashboard it's 22 degrees Celsius. I decided that instead of a motovlog I'm going to record an intro for my video that I recorded 2 weeks ago. Actually it's not video yet, it's a bunch of the clips, and later I'm going to edit those clips and make a video about my helmet, and this recording is going to be an intro. But before I show you my helmet, I need to tell you something about it. It's LS2 AirFlow, it's open face helmet. And why I chose open face helmet? I know that open face helmets are not as safe as full face helmets, but here where I live, temperature during summer it goes above 40 degrees Celsius. It's pretty hot, and I needed a helmet that has a good air ventilation, so I chose an open face helmet. And right now I'm riding a scooter, and over 90% of my time I'm riding that scooter in the city where speed limits are not that high, there is no speeding. And if I decide that I'm going to ride more on open roads, and definitely I'm going to buy a full face helmet. And the company that makes this helmet is LS2. It's a company established in 1990 in China, and they made OEM and ODM helmets for years, 30 years right now. And I believe in 2005 they produced like 2 million of helmets per year, and in 2007 they decided that they want to start their own brand, so they started LS2 brand. And LS2 headquarters is in Barcelona, Spain, so it's well-known brand worldwide, and they produce millions of helmets per year, and they are a little bit cheaper than other top brands. Maybe there is a price range with AXS. Definitely they are cheaper than Shui, Ray or AJC, but their price ranges from $50 US and up to $1,000. I don't know exactly, but they have some really expensive helmets. And this is the helmet, LS2 AirFlow. It comes in different colors and prints. This is the print I chose, and it's a year, like 12 months old. I bought it last year when I decided to take riding classes, and the quality is pretty good because there is no signs that it has been used. The quality of this visor, it's pretty good. I haven't had a problem with foggy visor, probably because the air ventilation is really good. And there are 2 air vents on the top of the helmet. You can close them or open them. And this is how the helmet looks inside. Pretty well made. It has a quick release buckle, which is pretty useful, but it's also standard for mid-class and high-class helmets. And it's pretty easy to remove the cheek pads. And the liner, it's removable, it's washable, breathable, and hypoallergic. Basically, you can remove the liner in few seconds. It's really simple. And there is EPS multi-density foam with openings for the air vent. And as I said, the visor is pretty good. It's scratch resistant, and I didn't have any problem with the fog. It can be easily removed and replaced. This helmet meets EC 2205 standard, and it can be legally used in the whole Europe. And I believe there is actually I know there is a Dutch standard, so it can be used in the United States too. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.